Good morning. This is Professor Saisha Mohammed signing on the concept of stage 13. Before going to the subject, again I'm requesting you, please subscribe this channel to your friends or somebody else, anybody else. So no fee for it, be prepared for it, okay? So now we'll start the class. Number one, it goes to equability. Equa means what? Same. Equability means calm. How, sir, it is calm equability? Neither sad nor happy. Calm. Next, equilibrium. Equilibrium is equal means same. Brium, balanced. Okay. Equator. Equator means divides the earth into two halves. Earth. Equestrian means someone on horse. Equestrian. Equine means like a horse. Equivocal means actually equal voice. So now we have come across six words. Six words says about actually equality. Equability means calm, neither sad, neither neither happy. Equilibrium means balanced. Equator means divides the earth into two halves. Equestrian means someone on a horse, whether he will fall that side or this side. Equestrian. Equine means like a horse. Equivocal means equal voice. So I think now you might have come across six words with the meaning of what it says about equ. Equ is the root word what we have done. Okay. Next we are going towards the second topic. The vociferous. Voci means voice. Fer means bring. That is voice carrying. Next, vocalize. Vocalize means what? To give voice to. Okay. Vocal means what? Voice parts. Voice part. Singer. Vocalist means singer. Another word is there. Very dangerous word. Jeopardy. Titillate. Titillate means what? To tickle. Gentle touches. Light. Sexual stimulation. Should not use the word, but it is, these are the secondary meaning for it. Titillate means to tickle, gentle touches, sexual stimulation are this. Not necessary for you, but if you have to know about the words, no secondary meaning. That's why I'm telling. So again I'm passing the light. Vociferous means voice carrying. Vocalize means to give voice to. Vocal means voice parts. Vocalist means singer. Titillate means want to tickle, gentle touches, light, sexual stimulation. So now you have come across another seven words with the concept of seven to 10 secondary meanings. Okay. So I think now you have come across more than 10 to 11 to 14 words. We will see some more about. Okay. Start. Next question is flattery. Flattery means what? By high price. You are flattering, buttering, they'll say, no, this is called flattery. High praise, another word is there, extol, eulogy, these and all high praise words. Bogus also same thing. Adulation means what? Flattery, ridiculous degree. Okay. Next, proscribe means what? So what is proscribe is? Pro means before, scribe means writing. So before writing, then why you say proscribe? This is when the doctor goes for diagnosis of somebody else. After diagnosing him, he will prescribe the medicine. Before prescribing, he will say, don't eat that, this and food item. That forbiddenness, he will say, no, that is called proscribe. Next, manuscript. Manu means manual, script means handwritten. Subscribe. Subscribe means what? Magazine, contract under. Inscript must write it. Again I'll tell you. Flattery means what? High price. Okay. Flattery means high price. Adulation means what? Flattery. Again buttering. Ridiculous. Proscribe means to forbid. Manu means manual, handwritten. Subscribe means magazine, contract under. Inscript means to write into. So now you have come across 17 words with 30 meanings for it. Quite easy to study about it, no? Still more words are there. We will see now. Okay. So now we are going for prescribe. I told you. Similarly, Postscript is there after the main part. Next, via. Via means what? In buses, this is the way. The bus will stop in on the way via. Obviate means to do away. Ob means away. Via. Trivia means three ways. Three ways in places, common places. You won't tell the secrets. Unnecessary words only you will use. That is called trivia. Militate means what? Militist, soldier, fighting man. Militate means there is also same thing, soldier, fighting man. Understood or not? Again, I'll state. Postscript means after the main part. Via means way, path. Obvia means to away with. Trivia means what? Three way. In three way means three way junction. You won't say the secret in the junction place, common place. That is called unnecessary informations. Militate means militants. Militant means what? Soldier or fighting man. So now 22 words have come. Again we are going towards the another topic. Molest means what? Bad or evil. Okay. Keep in mind, molest means bad, evil. Malign means what? Speak evil, defame, slander. These are the secondary meanings. Malign means bad, keep in mind. Malignant, all these things. So, defame, this comes under that. Okay, understood or not? Okay. Malignant glance means deep hatredness. Malignant comes deep. Bad. Okay. Malignant means, actually I can say a malignant tissue will be there, malignant cells will be there. That is called cancer growth. Okay, next one. Digo dictus, to say. Maldiction, mal means bad, diction means word. So bad saying, evil saying. Again I'll tell you. Molest means bad or evil. Malign means speak evil, defame, slander. Malignant means deep hatredness. Cancer growth. Dicto means to say, dictate something. Mal means bad, malignant. Dictus, bad dictation, evil saying. Understood or not? So 27 words you have come across. Again we will see still more about it. Okay. So 27 words, totally you might have covered around 50 meanings around it. Okay. So now we are going to next step. Olo means to wish. If I put mal volo, bad wish. Mal means bad, so bad wish. So mal volo means bad wisher. Similarly, volo means willingness. Mal volo means bad wisher. Facio means to do, bake. Understood or not? Again I'll teach you. Volo means to wish or willing. Mal means bad wisher. Facio means to do. So now you have come across from the equal to volo around 30 words. In that 30 words you have come across 50 to 60 secondary meanings. I think this will get you more information. Tomorrow we will see stage 14 with some more information. So this is Shaw again asking you, please subscribe this channel to your friends or anybody else. So to increase their vocabulary and other things. So again, no fee for it. Keep in mind, this is Shaw signing off. Thank you.